Hello viewers! Welcome back to our channel. Today we will be discussing a very important topic: snakes and how to prevent them using the gifts given by nature itself. Snakes are inherently dangerous due to their venomous bites, which can lead to severe medical complications or even death in some cases. Venomous snakes inject toxins into their prey or potential threats, causing tissue damage, organ failure, paralysis, and, in extreme cases, respiratory or cardiac arrest. Additionally, even non-venomous snakes can pose a threat through their bites, which may lead to infection or allergic reactions. Furthermore, encounters with snakes can induce fear and panic, potentially leading to accidents or injuries as individuals attempt to flee or defend themselves. Therefore, it's essential to exercise caution and respect when dealing with snakes to mitigate the risks associated with these reptiles. Snakes, while fascinating creatures, can pose dangers to humans and other animals due to their venomous bites and constrictive capabilities. Here are some dangerous facts about snakes. Number 1. Venom. Many species of snakes are venomous, meaning they inject venom into their prey through specialized fangs. This venom can cause a range of effects, from mild pain and swelling to paralysis and even death, depending on the species and the amount of venom injected. Number 2. Camouflage. Snakes are masters of camouflage, blending seamlessly into their surroundings to ambush prey or avoid detection. This ability makes them difficult to spot in natural environments, increasing the risk of accidental encounters. Number 3. Aggression. While most snakes prefer to avoid confrontation with humans, some species may become aggressive if threatened or cornered. Aggressive behavior can include hissing, striking, or biting, posing a danger to those who inadvertently provoke the snake. While chemical repellents are available, many individuals prefer natural solutions to deter these reptiles. In nature's arsenal, there exist several plants with properties that repel snakes effectively. These plants not only offer a natural solution to snake control but also contribute to the ecosystem's balance. In this video, we delve into the top 13 snake repellent plants, exploring their characteristics, cultivation tips, and effectiveness in repelling snakes. Number 1. Marigold. Marigolds, with their vibrant blooms and distinct aroma, are known to repel various pests, including snakes. Their strong scent masks the pheromones that attract snakes, deterring them from the vicinity. Planting marigolds around the perimeter of homes or gardens can help create a snake-free zone. Number 2. Wormwood. Wormwood, a perennial herb with a bitter taste and strong aroma, serves as a potent snake repellent. Its essential oils contain compounds like absinthin and thujone, which snakes find intolerable. Planting wormwood around entry points or in areas prone to snake activity can deter these reptiles effectively. Number 3. Indian snakeroot. Indian snakeroot, also known as sarpaganda, has been traditionally used in Ayurvedic medicine for its anti-venom properties. The plant's root contains alkaloids like reserpine, which repel snakes and inhibit their venomous effects. While primarily valued for its medicinal properties, Indian snakeroot can also serve as a natural snake repellent when grown around homes or gardens. Number 4. Garlic. Garlic, with its pungent odor, is renowned for its ability to repel various pests, including snakes. The sulfur compounds in garlic emit a strong scent that snakes find repulsive, deterring them from entering the area. Planting garlic cloves or spraying garlic-infused solutions can help keep snakes at bay. 5. Tulbagea. Tulbagea violacea. Tulbagea, also known as society garlic, is a perennial herb valued for its ornamental flowers and pest-repellent properties. Similar to garlic, Tulbagea emits a strong odor that snakes find unpleasant, deterring them from the area. Planting Tulbagea around gardens, pathways, or entry points can provide effective snake control. Number 6. Mugwort. Mugwort, a perennial herbaceous plant, contains essential oils like cineole and camphor, which impart its distinctive aroma and repel snakes. Planting mugwort around homes or gardens can create a barrier that snakes are reluctant to cross, reducing the risk of encounters. Number 7. Nasturtium. Nasturtium, with its vibrant flowers and peppery foliage, serves as a natural deterrent for snakes. The plant's pungent scent and bitter taste make it unappealing to snakes, discouraging them from entering the area. Planting nasturtiums around garden borders or in pots near entryways can help repel snakes effectively. Number 8. Onion. Onions, prized for their culinary and medicinal uses, also possess properties that deter snakes. The sulfur compounds in onions emit a strong odor that snakes find offensive, deterring them from the vicinity. Planting onions around gardens or scattering onion peels can help keep snakes away. Number 9. West Indian lemongrass. West Indian lemongrass, with its citrusy aroma and tall grass-like foliage, serves as a natural snake repellent. The plant's essential oils contain citronella and geraniol, which snakes find unpleasant. Planting lemongrass around homes or gardens can create a barrier that snakes are reluctant to cross. Number 10. Eucalyptus. Eucalyptus spp. Eucalyptus trees, native to Australia but cultivated worldwide, emit a strong scent that repels snakes. The essential oils in eucalyptus contain compounds like cineole, which snakes find intolerable. Planting eucalyptus trees or placing eucalyptus branches around the perimeter of homes or gardens can deter snakes effectively. Number 11. Lavender. Lavender, with its soothing fragrance and vibrant purple blooms, serves not only as a delightful addition to gardens but also as a natural deterrent for snakes. Its strong scent, derived from essential oils like linalool and linalool acetate, acts as a repellent, deterring snakes from venturing into areas where lavender is planted. This aromatic herb not only adds beauty to outdoor spaces but also provides a sense of security, keeping snakes at bay with its potent aroma. Number 12. Rue. Rue, a perennial herb with bluish-green foliage and yellow flowers, possesses strong aromatic properties that repel snakes. The plant's essential oils contain compounds like rutin and methanol, which snakes find unpleasant. Planting rue around homes or gardens can create a barrier that snakes are reluctant to cross. Number 13. Sansevieria trifasciata. Snake plants, scientifically known as Sansevieria trifasciata, are often promoted as natural snake repellents due to their purported ability to deter snakes from entering certain areas. Some proponents suggest that the strong scent produced by snake plants may deter snakes, as snakes are thought to be sensitive to certain odors. Additionally, the thick, waxy leaves of snake plants may create an inhospitable environment for snakes to hide or nest. Incorporating snake repellent plants into landscaping or gardening practices offers a natural and environmentally friendly solution to snake control. By harnessing the deterrent properties of these plants, individuals can minimize the risk of snake encounters and create safer outdoor environments. Additionally, cultivating snake repellent plants contributes to biodiversity and promotes ecological balance, making them valuable additions to any landscape. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please like, subscribe, and consider sharing this video. See you next time.